Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Netflix update payment method problem. There could be one reason or another for this issue. This may be also be the case with Netflix for many users, as in the past there have been many reports that some users occasionally experience with their billings account. If you ever receive a message from Netflix saying your account is on hold because of a problem with your last payment, this could be any one of the following reasons. The payment information and records Netflix has on file doesn't match the information and records your bank has, or there were insufficient funds in the account. There may also be other several reasons for this issue. If you ever find yourself in this situation as a Netflix user, follow and watch this video until the very end. Now to fix this problem, firstly head over to any web browser on your PC and there search for netflix.com. Now get logged into your Netflix account. Now tap on three lines at the top left and then tap on account option. Now scroll a bit down and now tap on manage payment info option. And now once you're in manage payment info section, tap on edit button. Once you tap on it, payment detail will be appear on your screen. Now remove all those information and re-enter your card details. Alternatively, you may also enter your new account information in these slots. And if you're done with it, click on I agree button and tap on save button. This should solve your problem. If not, then you should contact your financial institution. There may be a number of reason or a security breach on your account, and it is best to go through what the reason for the registered card not working and it is best to explore what these reasons may be with your financial institution. And now after all these steps, it should definitely solve your problem. I hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.